Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our hot buffalo wings. Everybody is NFL official Sunday football game, and we are ready for some hot wings, everybody. So we went on and seasoned this all up. The recipe, the full recipe is on our YouTube channel already. So we're gonna move on over here to the hot sauce here. It has butter and some extra flavors in here that has flavor for your chicken wings. And look at this, everybody. Look at that. You ain't gotta buy these. You can make them yourself. It's very simple. Just a few little recipe parts you need: hot sauce and butter and some seasoning, everybody. And we ain't talking about no salt and pepper either. But look at this. Look at that. That looks delicious, grandmother. I'm telling you, this is all that you need for your NFL football game. See you guys soon. Happy game day, everybody. Grandma, you are funny. Yes. See you guys later. Follow us on YouTube.